Here we have the Bielmeier 4-volt lithium-ion screwdriver kit. When we unpackage it, what we get inside the box is a set of instructions and the kit, which comes in a very, very nice carrying case. When you open up the case, inside you will find everything you need. You've got sockets, you've got all your bits, you've got your adapter cord, everything you would need in one little tidy kit. The screwdriver itself also got a couple of drill bits. The screwdriver itself is very strong. It will drive screws in, and it is perfect for RC modeling hobby.